Hello and welcome to the Galactic Kitchen. I'm Gigi, here to bring you another plant-based galactic recipe. Today we're going to make stuffed acorn squash. For our stuffing we need 1 leek, we need some quinoa. I like to do a tricolour quinoa and give it some colour. We need dried cranberries, walnuts, some fresh thyme and garlic. For our squash, we need squash, obviously we need squash. We need some earth balance buttery spread, or you can use real butter, up to you. We need some maple syrup, salt and pepper, and a little bit of cinnamon. So your first step is to karate chop your squash! Squash! Power! Whew. Okay, now that we got that done, oh yeah, by the way, make sure you don't throw away your seeds because you can go ahead and roast these for a quick snack. Alright, now it's time to prep the squash. Alright, all ready to go in the oven. You want to put your squash in the oven at 400 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. Check it with a fork to see if it's done. Wow, look at that nice colour. Here's our finished dish. You don't want to stuff your squash until you're ready to eat, or your stuffing might get a little soggy, but the earthy aromas of the squash cooking makes me hungry. Enjoy your squash and keep on saving the planet. See you next time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Ding! Also, check out more of my content on Instagram, link in the description. Oh, there's my people, gotta go!